Welcome to another exciting episode of Gains and Blockchains, the only channel dedicated to keeping you informed and up to date with everything in the crypto space. Hi, my name is Ace, and today's episode we're going to focus on two key tools that every newcomer in crypto should have in their arsenal and know how to use them and why. Those two tools are CoinMarketCap and the Fear and Greed Index. And those two tools are one of the same because CoinMarketCap facilitates the Fear and Greed Index onto its platform. So you don't have to go too far to find it. So I'm going to teach you why you need and you must know how to use and how to take advantage of these tools. These are the tools that are actually going to map out your future journey in crypto and make it more advantageous for you. So when you hear a talking head like myself or any other person in YouTube space say something, mention a coin like Matic, Crow, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all these different coins that you might not know too much about, you take that data, you jump into CoinMarketCap, you throw them in there, and voila, it's like all that research, that homework is done for you, right? See, we have our own research team. I've been in crypto for 12 years. So I've gone through the hurdles, I've gotten burned, I've gotten fished, I've gotten hacked, and we're gonna discover all these things about me in the year 2024. And if you made it here, congratulations, guys. You are in, I don't know how to say this, you're in store for the biggest and the most exciting switch, however you want to call it, that is going to be the biggest jump in wealth. You're going to see so much happen in this year. This year's got jam-packed stuff for you. So if you came here, if you made it here, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. And congratulations for getting through the mud, getting through the thick of it, and you made it here. And if you're on this channel, I want to be the first to welcome you and to actually shake your hands virtually and welcome you on this journey together. You and I, we are going to make some magic happen in the crypto space because this is the only place that you could actually dictate your future, your financial future, without having anybody else do that for you. And the way the world is going right now, I'm sure we could all say that it's going to hell, right? People are struggling to buy groceries. People are struggling to put food on their plate. People are struggling to even be able to take a vacation once to twice a year. Like, it's pretty sad. It's pretty disgusting. So we're going to actually try to get you, each and every single one of you, better prepared and better shaped for what's coming and how to manage and mitigate the risk involved. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the info link and go straight there to your portal. All right, so here we go. CoinMarketCap. So this is the beauty of it. And as we remember, we spoke of the Fear and Greed Index. And as you can see, right here is nice color gauge. You have the red, you got your orange, amber, yellow, green, and dark green. So right now the green is at 68. So we'll talk about this tool real quick first because this is a very, very powerful tool. So you might be asking yourself, well, what is CoinMarketCap? So CoinMarketCap is the world's first most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets. So if you understand what that means, this site's specific sole purpose is to actually do their research and to have all the data and the feedback to understand what's going on and then feed it back to you, the people, right? So these are really good indicators. So the Fear and Greed Index is one of my favorite because it'll tell you how much fear is in the market, how much greed is in the market. So for example, right here, as you can see in this red section, this is where me and my team were picking up and filling up our bags with crypto. And that would have been in 2022, right? When everything was going to shit. And you see, it's a great tracker based on the color schemes and everything, right? So as you can see, down here, fear is at the worst. So all you have to do is click and it'll actually tell you, right? So right here around September 2023, there was a lot of fear in the market. Now you move further in to November, a lot of greed. People are starting to realize the market sentiment is changing. Things are moving. Bitcoin is pumping. So you tend to get a lot more greed coming in the market. And this fluctuates. This is all data. It fluctuates very well. So this is a very, very good tool. So like I was saying, we were accumulating back here when things were, extreme fear. in the red here, right? In the red and the orange. When everybody was scared, everything was going to zero, nobody knew what to do. But this is why this tool is good. I think Warren Buffett said it best when he said, when others are fearful, be greedy, and when others are greedy, be fearful. And this is all this is. When people are dumping and running away from the market, it sends this down here to the fear area. This is where you want to start buying. And when people start running into the market, because again, market sentiment's changing, things are looking bullish, whatever the reason, and you start getting into the deep green, this is where we're going to look to start selling, right? When others are fearful, be greedy. And when others are greedy, be fearful. All right, so that's the first tool. This will help you time your market buys. Now, CoinMarketCap. So this is the site here. So you have your cryptos, exchanges. Right now we're sitting at 686 exchanges. Market cap. The total market cap in crypto is 1.7 trillion. The 24-hour volume. The Bitcoin dominance. That's something in itself that we got to go into. The Bitcoin and the ETH dominance. This will tell you the strength of Bitcoin. And this will tell you the strength of the altcoins, right? Because ETH is literally the leader of the altcoins. So this is something we have to break down and talk in another episode because we want to keep this short and sweet to the point, right? So let's say you're looking at a coin, right? Like let's talk about something like crypto.com, a coin that I'm very bullish on. So you click your search button and you type in CRO, C-R-O, right? You click this. And voila, right? Now remember, on this channel, we aim to eliminate any fear and educate you on the constantly evolving, highly intimidating space we call crypto. So take a sec, hit the subscribe button, smash up the likes, and let me help you get all the money. Everything comes up for the coin, right? So if this is something that you're looking to buy, right? I'm a numbers guy. The first thing I would do, I would check out the numbers and the stats and everything about this coin and its performance. So let's take a look at the monthly right now. So right now, as you can see, we just started breaking out of this trend, right? We just started breaking out of this red lowish, this, and everything is green and red, guys. So it's very simple. Like a toddler could understand this. So right now, your best buy would have been down here, absolutely. And actually, let's take this a little bit further. Let's go back on the 1 year. Yeah, let's zoom out, right? It's always good to zoom out when you're looking. The daily is not going to give you much. So let's look at the 1 year. There you go. Now this is the chart. So as you can see, right? Again, all through here, this is where this was the best buys, right? 4 cents, 5 cents, right through here. This is where me and my team were accumulating a lot of CRO, right? Now, as you can see, this is where we got our breakout. See, this line right here, right about here, is where you had the breakout, right? This is where, you see a lot of support and resistance in these channels. But now we broke out of that, and now we're hovering and setting a new. So 10 cents is a very, very strong, very, very strong support and resistance, as you can see, because we're just trending in that channel now, right? So we'll go below 10, like about 9, like literally a penny. Then we'll go back up. We went all the way up to 12 cents back in December there. So, this is a very good tool in that aspect. So now you ask yourself, okay, well, this is definitely a good tool to buy, because if we go in the all time, right? We click, even zoom out even more. Boom, look at this. So this coin performed amazing. Like, look at this. Like we were hitting 96 cents, back in, well, it went to 96, but on every different is different. So we got 90 here. So we hit 90 cents, right? So right now, if you were to buy down here at the 10 cent mark, like, I mean, guys, look at the profit margin here. So, buying in here, even though you missed the ultimate buy down here, you're still laughing if you're coming in at 10 cents. So this is the power of CoinMarketCap. And then you also have all your tracking stuff here, right? The total max supply, right? The total supply and the max supply, the fully dilated market. I mean, you have all kinds of stuff, right? There's just so much stuff that you could do and explore here. If you wanted to trade on some DeFi projects, you have your MetaMask and your Trust Wallet address that you'd copy and paste, right? This is the site that you need to explore. Now, I like to stress this because I really don't feel that it's the best learning way to just talk stuff and then copy and paste. It's good to get information and then take action, right? I totally agree with that, but I truly believe that the best form of action would to be extrapolate some data, get some information, and then go learn and explore it further. So that's pretty much it. This I urge you guys to go take a look at CoinMarketCap, right? It's very user friendly, right? It's literally anybody can use this. It's very user friendly. The charts, I just wanted to explain the charts to you so you have an understanding. You know, you have the small time frames and you have the huge time frames, right? And just play around with this, and you can punch in any coin you want to look at, and you get all the information, you know, every single thing about it, right? So this was just a quick introduction of CoinMarketCap and the Fear and Greed Index, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is it for that aspect. All right, that's it for today's episode. I'll see you in the next one. But in the meantime, take control of your financial future. Not now, but right now. It's your boy Ace signing out. Stay well and be cool.